Hello and welcome to our demo on connecting S/4HANA Cloud to SAP Data Intelligence Cloud using ABAP connection. In this demo, we will look at what configuration is required in SAP S/4HANA Cloud and what configuration is required in SAP Data Intelligence Cloud to set up the integration scenario. We need to create communication arrangement using communication scenario SAP underscore com underscore 0532 in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. In SAP Data Intelligence Cloud, we need to create a connection using ABAP connection type. We need to use the protocol as WebSocket RFC, and we need to provide the connection details for the S/4HANA Cloud system. So let's have a look in the system how to configure. In SAP S/4HANA Cloud system, we already have communication scenario set up for the data warehouse cloud communication. We can use the same communication arrangement for data integration scenarios as well. To set up the connection, log into the Data Intelligence Cloud system and navigate to Connection Management. In the Connection Management, click on Create New Connection. In the connection type, select ABAP as connection type. Provide a ID for the connection, a description. For the protocol, select WebSocket RFC. Provide the system ID. Host name, we can get the host name from the communication arrangement that we have set up in SAP S/4HANA Cloud system. We can put the port name, the client, the user that we have configured as the communication user in our communication arrangement, password of the communication, and if we want, we can select a tag as S/4HANA Cloud and click on create. The connection is available in the connection list. We can check the status of the connection by selecting the check status, and now the system says the connection is okay. We can now start utilizing the CDS views from S/4HANA Cloud system.